Hello, web professionals. Welcome to odunide.com YouTube channel. My name is Temi. In this video, I'm going to walk you through adding your website to Google Search Console. Adding your site to Google Search Console is one of the best ways to get Google to know it's out there. You can also wait till Google finds it, but that takes much longer. Another advantage of adding it to Google Search Console is that if there are aspects of your website that needs improving, Google will let you know. So without beating about the bush, let's get straight into it. But before we start, could you please do me a quick favor and like this video? Could you also subscribe to our YouTube channel, please? And if possible, ring the notification bell so that you will know when we release new videos. The very first step to adding your site to Google Search Console is to have a Google account if you don't already have one. Usually, if you log into YouTube or other Google services, you've got one. But if you don't, please head to the page displayed above and you can create one. So with the Google account to hand, go to Google Search Console. Again, the address for Google Search Console, it's right above on the screen. We'll also leave a link to it in this video and on our website. So, how do you prove to Google that you are the owner of the website you want to add to its console? There are various ways of doing it, but for the purpose of this video, we'll use the URL prefix option. The DNA verification option is also quite good, but and even quicker, to be honest. But for new webmasters, for new SEO professional, it's a bit more complicated. So let's go for the easy one. So you enter your domain name. We use an example called onlinelearning.ng in this video. So once you add online learning, Google will do a quick search. Because you haven't uploaded any file that could help you verify it, it would then offer you a file, an HTML file that it wants you to download. Once you download it to your computer, you then need to upload it to your website. By the way, if your website is created with WordPress, it's much easier. Just get one of these plugins that can help you upload that file. But let's assume your website is not a WordPress site, but we have to make some assumption or the other. Let's assume you have access to cPanel. That's a control panel that comes with your web hosting. So these are the steps you need to follow to upload your file to your website using cPanel. The ultimate destination of the file is the root of your website. It's a public root, as you can see on the screen. So the verification file uploaded, you click continue and Google will do the verification. When it will see that you've uploaded a file. Brilliant, congratulations. You've just demonstrated to Google that you own that website or you have access to it, or you are authorized to act on the owner's behalf. So you can go ahead and explore various aspects of the Google console environment. Google will offer you some tutorials and whatnot. Because you've just verified your website, very, very shortly, usually within hours, Google will crawl your website and it will start collecting information about it. You may not see anything on your console for quite a while, for days, but eventually the data it collects on your about your website will be available. What I particularly like Google Search Console for the most is the error messages it gives you, because it sort of acts like a technician for your site. If there are error, the 404 page that missing, or you did not configure your robots.txt file properly, it will notify you. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't done so, please like our video and share it and comment on it. And see you in the next video.